Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and I am in here doing a small chop.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.
I can't even say it's a big chop anymore, y'all. I cannot. I have been taking care of my hair, trying different products on my hair, and I'm gonna tell you all, if y'all not good with clipping y'all ends, if you have hair like mine, then you can use that guard. We already went over my hair with an 8 like 2 weeks ago, and I just went over my head with a 7. So this is what a 7 look like if you want to cut your hair. Now my hair is this length. I've been cutting all my color off, you all, and I've been loving it. Now this is an 8, okay? This is an 8. Let's say open. This is an 8 open, but I don't need it open. Okay? No hair is coming off. No hair at all is coming off. And we went over our hair like this maybe 2 weeks ago. But since then I have been, just using the scissors to clip my ends. And I told y'all I only had a little bit more color to go on my hair. Okay, so that is an 8. See, that's an 8. So I have already went over my head, y'all. I just thought I would show y'all because I told y'all this is my hair journey and I want to take y'all along the way with me. I want to take y'all along the way with me. And I'm telling you, every time I go out, I see these girls with shorter and shorter hair. Almost like Emma Rose. I done seen a beautiful gray. I done seen a beautiful purple, red, of course, blonde. Man, these girls, I'm talking about short like Emma Rose. And I'm telling you, it gets me the courage to even go shorter and just go ahead and say, girl, you only got a little color off if that's what you're really trying to do. So look, this is a 7, okay? And we always going to have the 7 open. So if you want to know what a 7 look like and you want to clip your hair and you want your hair to be even or whatever and you can't do it, with scissors, then, this is a good way to do it, y'all. Now I'm going to tell you, I'm excited about this journey. I am excited about this journey, y'all. It's touching it just a little. I don't think y'all see it falling in the back, but it's touching just a little. And that's all you wanted to touch. If you ain't got a lot of hair to go, if you don't have a lot of hair to go, did you see that fall? It's gonna fail, y'all. It's falling. Okay? It's falling. See? And then, y'all, let me tell y'all, I do my hair like this. I need to come in the back some more. That was a 7. And this is what a number 7 will do. And that was a 7 open, okay? I told y'all I only had a little bit more color to go on my hair. And really, this is the perfect time to me. This is the perfect time for me, y'all. Y'all know that we have all these different styles that we can wear as we, get our hair nice and healthy and seeing what our hair would do with different products. And so if you need to clip your ends or whatever and you're scared, I say start off small. You'll have to go back and look at that video where I showed you what a number 8 will do, And y'all, that's what I slowly did. And I'm slowly making my transition with that brown. You see a hint of it on top. I'm slowly making my transition with that brown. And by being in, November, December, come on, I would have made my transition. Hell, by December. Sure will.
Y'all, I believe that this is the last small chop that I am going to have to do. I have been slowly clipping off my ends. I have been showing you all that. And you don't have to cut a lot of your hair off if it's not damaged. Now, if it's damaged, I would say just cut it off. But if you're trying to make a transition from a perm or a color, or something like that, I would say just take little bits of it at a time. You do not have to chop all of your hair off if it is not damaged, okay?
So we already know what a number 7 look like. So this is a small chop. We can't say any longer that this is a big chop. This is a small chop. And, you know, if you're not really good with clipping your ends with scissors, if you have like a natural whatever, they sell guards bigger than this. This is the 8 and this is the Walls kit. So you can order a 3-inch guard or something like that. Something bigger. I seen a few ladies today, y'all. No, I ain't gonna just say today. I've been seeing a few ladies. Man, they rocking these shortcuts. Man, they rocking these shortcuts, y'all. I'm telling you, I am telling you. Oh, they rocking them. They rocking the short naturals, the fades. These girls is doing it, and I'm gonna be right with them. I don't know if I'm gonna go to a barber or try to do it myself. Because we got the angle guards here, y'all. I would love to find a really good barber. I told y'all the story about I seen this girl and her hair was sharp and she was in the barber shop, and I walked over to her and I said, "Who did your hair?" She said she cuts her own hair. But then one day I went back by the barber shop and she was sitting in one of her co-workers' chairs that worked in the barber shop. The guy who I said I was gonna get to cut my hair. So you got to be careful. So we just went on over our hair with the clippers. So now whatever you did not catch. See, I'm doing this on film with y'all, but usually y'all, I cut the front, but when it comes to the back and stuff like this, y'all, I be all hanging over the sink. And although I'm just trying to cut the color off, I'm not trying to really go for evenness. I ain't saying that's a bad thing if I end up doing it, but I'm not really going for evenness. I'm just trying to cut this color off because my natural hair is growing underneath and it's surpassing this color. So really, I'm cutting new growth hair that don't have any color on it. You know what I'm saying? So basically, I'm just keeping y'all posted with what I am doing with my hair, you all. Y'all have to go over there to my other channel. I've been decorating for Christmas already. I sure have. And it's pretty. Let me ask y'all something. When y'all go outside and y'all see women's hair, especially if you don't know what to do with your hair, do certain styles that you see motivate you and be like, man, that's what I want, that's what I want? Do that happen to y'all? Because every time I see a shortcut, it makes me come home and clip, 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 clip. It sure does. Well, look, I just came by here to show you all what I am doing with my hair. I am almost there. I don't know if y'all can still see a touch of brown on top. I know y'all can. I know y'all can. Um, but baby, them shaved heads and them these shaved heads and these girls rocking these fades are doing it, and the short naturals, they are doing it. These girls is not playing, and it motivates me, y'all. See, I got hair all on me, y'all. I got hair all on me, all on my face and stuff. But baby, let me tell you, by the time summer comes, your girl is gonna be in there. And this is the perfect time to do it because it's November, it's winter time. You have the perfect chance right now to make whatever changes you're gonna make. I have been making a lot of changes on my other channel, Regina's Way, doing a whole bunch of things over there, y'all. Yeah, that's really where I've been too. So y'all gotta go over there and support your girl. Comment, like, subscribe, and share. I be seeing my regulars over there. Y'all are my babies. Yes, y'all are. I am finna get back to clipping my hair down, y'all. I am gonna get back to clipping my hair down, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. So you have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. I am finna finish with this small chop. Yes, I am. I'm finna keep going, y'all. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll see you in the next one.